Court is calling 2022 CR 7675, State of Texas versus Mariah Rodriguez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense.
Ed Connell for the defendant.
And are you Miss Rodriguez?
I am, ma'am.
All right, you entered a plea of guilty on May 15, 2024.
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea bargaining agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. There's a $500 fine. State recommends community supervision. This will run concurrent with 685538. They will take in consideration 2023 CR 2440. You all need to whisper. County Court cause number 685330. There's to be restitution to Justin Algett, ALTGELT, Charlesty, CHARLESTY, Birchfield, BURCHFIELD, Latazua, LATAZUA, Wilson. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report? State,
Yes, Judge.
defense,
Yes, ma'am.
any objections?
No, Your Honor.
All right, the state is recommending probation, defense.
Yes, Judge.
According to the plea bargain agreement,
Mhm.
the state is recommending a length of community supervision for 4 years. Any objection to that?
No, Judge, there's just what the court needs to be aware of is that my client, when she was arrested in Kentucky, she was in rehab. So she has a drug case in Kentucky in McCracken County that she was put on probation for. She went to rehab for about 10 months, got out, tested dirty, and she was in a rehab facility when she was picked up and then extradited here. And so we would ask that she be allowed, so if she is given a probation, she would be returning back to a place called Recovery Plus, which was her inpatient
It's an inpatient
Yeah.
rehab.
inpatient rehab, and I believe that's in McCracken,
No, in Madisonville.
Madisonville, Kentucky. So we respectfully ask that if her probation can be transferred there.
All right, probation, are you aware of excuse me, we're on the record.
I'm sorry, Judge.
There's a sign that says don't approach while we're on the record.
I apologize.
All right, thank you. All right, probation. Are you aware of this Recovery Plus that's in McCracken?
I am not, Judge.
All right. Do you know how long the treatment is?
6 months, Judge, and she completed about 30 days when she was arrested. So she's got about 5 more to go.
All right. Probation, do you have any objection to her being transferred to Madisonville, Kentucky? According to the TAP evaluation, they're recommending safety.
Right, Your Honor, we also don't have an accurate address here on this PSI, so we're gonna transfer her to what address? There's no address listed.
And my understanding is that they're willing, the folks at Recovery Plus are willing to come get her.
All right, so the address,
It's on East Center Street.
all right, the address the court has from Google is 336 East Center Street, Madisonville, Kentucky, 42431. All right, so this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended for 4 years. There's a $500 fine that will be probated. This will run concurrent with County Court cause number 685538. Taking consideration 2023 CR 2440. County Court cause number 685330. There's to be restitution, if any, to Justin Algett, Charles C. Birchfield, Latawazua Wilson. She's to remain in custody until transfer to Recovery Plus for Women, located at 336 East Center Street, Madisonville, Kentucky, 42431. The court will request a transfer. What county is that?
I am not quite sure, ma'am. I'm
All
sorry.
right.
I'll look it up.
All right, thank you. So there's to be a transfer to Madisonville, Kentucky. Do you have any family in Madisonville?
No, ma'am.
Her significant others are church people in
Wait, I can't understand. What did you say?
her significant others who she was residing with before were her church friends from Kentucky, was at Paducah,
Yes.
in Paducah, Kentucky, which is McCracken, Kentucky, which is where her case is being managed from, Judge. So Madison is not, is it close by?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's where the.
All right, everyone, when we're on the record, don't talk behind the court reporter. You can ask that your client be moved down there. If it's crowded down there, everyone will just have to wait your turn.
Yes, it's where the probation have sent me for rehab.
All
In
right, so
Madisonville.
I'm doing a transfer to Madisonville, Kentucky. If she wants to transfer someplace other than Madisonville, Kentucky, she needs to get permission from the court. Because I can't have her just wandering from place to place.
Yes, ma'am.
And if these charges were picked up by her while she is with the church people, then maybe those are not appropriate people.
No, they weren't picked up when I was living with them, ma'am.
All right, so here's the thing. You're not allowed to transfer from Madisonville, Kentucky, unless I allow you to transfer from there.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're gonna have to sign a release from this Recovery Plus for women so that probation can see how you're doing. You understand?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
All right, do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
All right. There's gonna be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's gonna be regular random UAs. There's gonna be 120 sober meetings and 120 days upon release from Recovery Plus. Did you obtain your high school diploma?
No, ma'am.
All right, oh, State, you may be excused. Thank you. Let me give this to you, counsel.
Sorry, Judge, waiting for my moment.
All right, and let me give this to you. So what are you planning on doing with your life?
Getting my GED and trying to do the right thing.
All right, so I'm gonna set your community service restitution hours at 120 hours. Once you obtain your GED, 60 of those hours will be satisfied. And then if you are in someone's trade school and obtains your certificate, or if you're seeking a higher level of education, the remaining 60 hours will be waived. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
There's going to be proof of employment within 30 days of release from custody. There's to be no employment as a as a home health care provider or with minors. And if they are able to do field visits in Kentucky, I'm going to want field visits one time per month for 6 months upon release. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
No, Judge.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, miss, I appreciate everything you've doing.
All right, thank you. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes,
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Just
yes.
one last thing. So as part of the plea agreement, he was supposed to plea on on one misdemeanor, which is a failure to stop and give information. And she did that on May 15th.
Okay,
Okay, already. So that she's done all that already.
all right, thank you. We can go off the record. Here's the thing. In this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue, call your probation officer and let them know. Your probation officer is going to be in Kentucky. If you feel as though they're not responsive, you can call the probation office here. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And do not leave Madisonville, Kentucky until I give you the okay to leave that place. You understand?
Yes, ma'am. So I'll be waiting for the jail in Madisonville, Kentucky to come get me to.
No, your attorney has told us that Madison that
Okay.
Recovery Plus will actually send someone here to pick you up.
Okay, and I'll let them know to get a hold of the jail to release me or to get a hold of who to release me to them.
Probation will probably be able to give you better information than I can.
Okay,
All right. Probation.
Yes, Judge.
The number to Recovery Plus, according to Google, is 502
Okay.
947
Okay.
4850.
Got it.
All right, thank you.
thank you,
All
ma'am.
right, thanks, Judge. Can I be excused?
Yes.
Let's get the facts straight. She loves a verbal ashtray. Never blowing smoke when she gets pissed. She's quick to castrate. Love her on a good day, love her on a bad day. Either way, she's here to stay, stay, stay. Call up, only, 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 only,